Welcome to another video on our channel. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that we all, yes, everyone has experienced at least once in our lives. Toothache! There's nothing more annoying than feeling like your soul is being drilled through your teeth, right? But before you run to your nearest pharmacy, we have a natural alternative to consider. The amazing peppermint oil. Yes, you heard right. That little bottle that smells like heaven in winter could be your best friend in your fight against toothache. You might be surprised to know that peppermint oil isn't just a tasty additive to your tea or a filler in your peppermint candies. This oil is a powerhouse when it comes to pain relief, especially toothache. The reason? Menthol, a component of peppermint oil, has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. But don't just take my word for it. Scientific studies also support the effectiveness of peppermint oil in treating toothaches. Why is peppermint oil ideal for toothache? Peppermint oil is easy to use. You only need a few drops on a cotton pad, or you can apply it directly to the affected area. Are you worried that it only works for toothache? Well, this oil goes further. In addition to attacking toothache, its regular application can prevent future dental problems, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Keep this elixir away from children and pets and avoid ingesting it. Always consult a professional before starting any treatment, even if it is as natural as this one. Benefits of peppermint oil for toothache. Pain relief. Natural analgesic properties thanks to menthol. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce swelling and inflammation. Antibacterial properties. Fights oral bacteria. Freshens breath. Ideal for your oral hygiene routine. Convenient and affordable. Easily available and won't break your piggy bank. Stress reduction. The aroma can calm your mind. How to use peppermint oil to soothe toothache. Preparation and application. Dilute the oil. Mix with a carrier oil such as coconut oil. Apply with cotton. Use a cotton swab to apply to the affected area. Precautions and considerations. Allergy test. Do a patch test before full application. Avoid ingestion. Do not swallow the oil. Control the sensation. The sensation of coolness will be intense at first. Consult a dentist for proper diagnosis and treatment. Alternative remedies for toothaches. If peppermint oil isn't your thing, don't worry. There are other methods to consider. Clove oil, for its analgesic and antibacterial properties. Rinse with salt water. It reduces inflammation and discomfort. Over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen or paracetamol. Flossing. Yes, sometimes the problem is as simple as a trapped food particle. Professional dental care. When all else fails, it's time to see a dentist. And there you have it. Peppermint oil is more than just a breath freshener. It is a real savior from a toothache. Has peppermint oil worked for you? Leave us your comments and experiences below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fresh content like this.